Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back. Yes, welcome back with the rest of the puzzles of the Tuesday edition. Yeah, 21st, September the 21st, 2021. Because today on Friday, September the 24th, I've told you we have only two regular Sudokus, Sudoku Heavy and a Sudoku Light. And there are no extra Sudokus or additional, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Tuesday edition. We have three puzzles left, the 1 star, the 2 stars, and a tectonic with 1 star. Because the Wednesday newspaper, I have solved the whole additional, and I believe the Thursday edition there were no extra Sudokus. So yeah, let me continue with the Tuesday edition, and this will be number 3441. Yes, 3441. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, let me zoom out. Yes, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 27 printed digits. 1 star has always 27 printed digits, and for 1 star I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Two numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see a 3, no 3 in these two boxes. There, 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for 3 should be there. Alright. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So the row between, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Okay, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2, no 2 in these two boxes. There 2, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about the number yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see a 9, no 9 in these two boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 9 in the last column. 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Okay, and now I cannot continue with the 9. What a pity, what a pity, what a pity. How about the number 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Ooh. Stuck with the 1. And now okay, 6. I'm thinking 9 2 8 1 4 4 4 4. Okay. 7 7 7 7 7 1. Yes. No. 1 1 2 3 4 8 8. Okay. I'm thinking. How about the number 8 8. Yeah. Thinking. 2 numbers left in the middle row. 1 2 3 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and a 5. Okay. 2 and a 3 6. Yeah. How about 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 3, yeah. 4 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there in the second row. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Then 6 2 1 8 thinking 6 7 and a 4 6 7 and 4 7 and 4. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. So the 8 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 8 and a 4. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then 8, 8. Two numbers left in this column. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 1. Alright. 2 missing numbers. Let me do these 2 numbers. Doesn't matter because I cannot fill this yet. These 2 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, let me mark those. Here also 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, let me mark those. Then wow. 821, 7. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5, 5. Okay. 2, 9, 1. 2, 9, 1. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. The 7 goes there. And a 6 goes here. Now we have a 6 here, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2. 2 final numbers, two missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and a 3 is missing. 2 and a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes, and there. Alright. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 box left in the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 7s will be here, or there. We see there 7. No 7 there. Here are 7. No 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Excuse me. Need to sneeze and blow my nose. Okay. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 and a 9 are missing. 8 and a 9. Let me mark those. 8 and 9. Well, we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can't be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 9. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. 5 in the third row. 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 5. Yeah. Yeah. How about the number 2? And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 2. Okay. One number left in the first row. 1, 2, 3 is missing. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. Let me mark those. How about these 2 numbers in this row? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 6. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be 8 and 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 number left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. Well, could be faster. Well, yeah, let me give this a 1 star. Maybe 2 stars. I do not know. I'm a little bit slower today, yes. But I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku. A 2-star Sudoku it will be. See you then. Bye-bye for now.